Hello, my name is Tiffany Conrad, and I was born in 1998 in Liberal, Kansas. I lived in Kansas for about 6 years until my family decided to move up to Nebraska. We moved to a town called Aurora, Nebraska, where I attended Aurora Elementary School, middle school, and high school. I was involved 2 years in FBLA, 4 years in the Aurora girls golf team, and 2 years in the National Honor Society while attending the high school there. I graduated that high school in 2017. That same year, I started to attend the University of Nebraska at Kearney, where I still attend. I am a sophomore here now. I am involved in the National Honor Society in a club called the CMLA, which stands for the Collegiate Middle Level Association. It kind of goes along with my major. My major is middle level education with an emphasis in math. So in the future, I hope to become a middle school math teacher. I have 3 older brothers, 1 nephew, and then I have 2 pets. One is a cat named Tabby, and then I have a dog named Trixie.